It's sweeping Manhattan's Upper East Side. Locals and tourists are lining up for hours to get their hands on a cup of hot cocoa. But you don't have to take your taste buds to the Big Apple to try it. My next guest is bringing the buzzy beverage to our kitchen. Recipe creator and friend of our show, Amy Richardson, is here to share. And you recently returned from a trip to New York. You tried this?
We did. My daughter gave me a plane ticket for Christmas. And so we did just like a few days there, and it was so much fun. But she's like, Mom, there's this hot chocolate place we got to try.
Everyone's talking about it.
We walked 40 blocks to get it. And we were kind of laughing about that, and it is amazing. People line up for it. You wait maybe like 15 or 20 minutes, but it is intense.
Okay, describe it. What makes it so good?
Well, it's so rich. It's so good. They take marshmallow, all of it's bruleed. It's kind of an ice cream store with hot chocolate, so it's kind of got a mix there. But they do special things, like the creme brulee one is white hot chocolate with a little crack of creme brulee on the top. But their signature thing is to take marshmallow fluff and pipe it around the edge and toast it. So they all have that bruleed marshmallow outside.
That's kind of it, the marshmallow cup finish.
Which we decided now you have to do like thousands of them to get it to look right. Like there, but it does taste good, and you can pretty much do the same thing.
You figured out how to pull it. Did you know the second you were walking those 40 blocks home that you were going to try to recreate it?
Oh, yes. Oh, yes. But we are going to make a thick hot chocolate, which I think is kind of a different hot chocolate than what they have. You can just use your favorite hot chocolate recipe when you're doing it.
Okay.
But this one is thick. It's almost like pudding, and it's so good. And it's not quite as sweet, so you get like a good balance.
Okay, so elevate our hot chocolate.
So all you do is you just take milk. You can use whole milk, 2%, whatever you want. And then you want to take evaporated milk, which gives it a really silky texture.
Okay.
And then you're going to just bring that up to a simmer. And then what you want to do is just take cocoa and cornstarch and sugar.
Okay.
And then you're going to bring up your milk. This is the fast way to do it, is to bring it up to a simmer. And then you pour this in, and you whisk it together, and then it comes up really quick, and it's just thick and delicious. And then you just add a little bit of vanilla at the end.
What thickens it? The cornstarch?
The cornstarch.
Okay, okay.
And it's kind of classic, like all, I don't know, have you heard of Angelina's hot chocolate? It's like the French hot chocolate. We had that too while we were there, and it's delicious as well. Super, super rich. But the key ingredient is to make it thick, is the cornstarch.
To make it thick. So are you spooning this or drinking this?
Spooning it.
Okay.
And you can kind of drink it too, but I love it with the spoon.
Okay, all right.
So that's the hot chocolate.
Delish.
Or you can use a regular one.
Can I keep whisking while you move us forward?
Oh, no, we're going to move on to the next one. I think we can be done.
Are we okay?
Yep,
we're okay to let it sit? Okay, all right.
It's going to be good. Okay, so now we're to the piping part. Now, the funny part is that Ozma and I kept saying we're so weak. We couldn't drink the whole thing.
Come on, ladies. Come on.
We're weak. I need water. That's what Ozma was saying about 20 blocks the other
Between
direction.
every
I need
block.
a drink.
Yeah.
But I went ahead and did a fun little setup if you wanted to do it for a party. And I just did, my daughter, she just did a little label for me. It says A, but it's hot chocolate on it. If you wanted to kind of do a party idea.
To design little sticker makes the cup custom.
And make it kind of fun.
Yeah.
I love
it. And you set it up over here.
Yep, set it up over here, and you can kind of just put it up with different cups.
Now we have to pay respect.
This is the ultimate hot chocolate machine.
What is this?
They have it. It's Italian, and it's really expensive. I mean, unless you're thinking I need a really expensive appliance like a dishwasher or something. But in New York, they have. This isn't actually mine. It's my brother's. But they have like these every place you get hot chocolate. This is what it does, and it stirs it. And
Can I try it?
Hot. Oh yes.
It dispenses it?
Yeah. Push it back to dispense it.
What's happening? What's not happening?
Oh wait, sorry, lied. Push it forward.
Okay. Ooh, this feels legit.
But it keeps it at the same temperature. It's wonderful. I mean, everybody should have one. But I mean, it's, it's
if you had a few extra hundred, you absolutely should.
Yeah, it should have it. But the great thing is you can keep it at a temperature, and it can keep it from never scalding.
It's beautiful.
Super fun.
Beautiful.
But the Glace place that we had the hot chocolate, they had like 3 of them up there. One was white chocolate, one was the dark chocolate, and one was a milk chocolate.
Very luxe. Okay, now this is what we're doing to finish off our hot chocolate.
In fact, I thought we would try it with a small cup.
Okay.
Since that's about all we can drink.
Where are you getting these cute cups?
There is a Smart Smart Service, Smart Food. It's by Target on 13th, and a whole sleeve of paper cups is only like $3.
Oh, fantastic.
I mean, it's a really good deal. Okay, I got one for you.
What's in here?
One for me. This is marshmallow fluff.
Marshmallow fluff.
Okay, and you want to use the Jet Puff marshmallow because it's got a little bit of a stabilizer.
Okay, I'm going.
Okay.
Are we going?
Yep.
Any tricks here as we go?
You're doing great.
Okay.
Keep it on the outside.
Keep it on the rim.
Yep, and then we're just gonna torch it. Yeah. Oh, yours looks good.
Hey, I'm just saying, if I move to New York, I know where to ask for a job.
Then what they do is they do this part first, they fill it, and then this is the crazy part. They put a full ice cream scoop. It's gigantic.
There's ice cream in there?
Yeah. And you just put that, no, of whipped cream.
Whipped cream.
Whipped cream.
And like there's no room for the hot chocolate.
No, there's no room for hot chocolate.
Get down there, little guy.
Yeah, it's basically cream and marshmallow with a little bit of chocolate.
I love it. I'm
but
here
it was
for
delicious and it was so fun.
And how fun to recreate this for your own little party bar at home. Your little hand torch.
Yeah, this is a good one.
A good
it's
handy
working
friend.
Well, thanks to Studio 5.
I was going to say, I think her last one died here. And I hope we got you a new one.
You did, and it's fabulous.
Okay,
and
good,
I love
because
it.
you can't take that out of her hand.
No.
You're always there to toast and to treat us in just the right ways. Amy, thank you so much. Where can we get more ideas from you?
At Great Taste, no, not Great Taste Foods. Amy Parker Richardson. And I'm going to have a few more specialty hot chocolates on there too. There's one I really want to try that's strawberry, and then of course there'll be the white chocolate.
Strawberry hot chocolate.
And they do like an Oreo one where it's the chocolate and the white chocolate together with a little bit of
the
crumbs
party
on the
is
top.
just getting started.
So
We'll
lots
link
of
you
fun
over
things.
to Amy's Instagram where you can follow along for all the hot chocolate fun. Thank you for bringing a taste of New York to us.